Vlogtober day 2. Hey guys, today is October 2nd, and you know, I wanted to do something fun for my next vlog. So I know it's not like in the daytime anymore or anything, but I kind of wanted to show you guys like how I cook, because I get a lot of questions on how I cook and stuff. So today, ooh, this lighting, sorry. Today I'm going to be making a like a seafood boil, but just with shrimp. I wanted to make it affordable so anybody can make it, because I know crab and all other types of seafood can be expensive. So I want to make like a affordable version for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. It's gonna be super good regardless. So yeah. Sorry, my charger is in the way. Let me see. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna start cooking, and my towel's falling off. But ooh. How is you guys' October going so far? Mine is cool. It's only the second day, so still got time. I'm sorry this video is going up so late. I was busy trying to do another video, and I should have did my vlog first, but we're here now, and yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so the first seasonings, you want to get garlic powder, lemon pepper, black pepper, red pepper, Cajun seasoning, onion powder, and red chili powder. And then you want some garlic, a yellow onion, and a lemon. And also you want some butter. I forgot the potatoes. So then you just want also some red potatoes. The red potatoes are what's gonna go in here, so be careful not to splash yourself, because I just did it. I got sauce all over my pants, but yeah. We're going to add the potatoes. Ooh. So we stir that in and let that boil for about 10 minutes. The eggs should be done. They cracked a little bit, but that's okay. So now what you want to do is get your raw shrimp. I just had these sitting in cold water so they could defrost a little bit. But you want to add your shrimp. Okay, you want to cook those until they turn pink. And I have it on low heat now, so just keep that in mind. make sure you get all your shrimp in the water so they can cook too. And guys, shrimp cooks really fast, so you have to move fast. I'm gonna take the eggs out since they're done, so I can have more room. Same. Now you want to make sure the shrimp is all in there. Ooh, this smells so good. Oh. Okay. If you need to, you can add a little bit more water, but this should be fine. So now you want to add your butter. And this is about 3 tablespoons. This is about 4 tablespoons of butter. Ooh, so you just want to put that in there. All right, so you just let the shrimp cook, and then I don't want corn on the cob, so I'm just gonna add some sweet corn that's already cut off the cob. And this is pre-cooked, so it doesn't have to cook that long. Yeah. So you guys can add corn on the cob if you want to, but this is just how I want it. And like I said, I'm only doing shrimp and potatoes and corn because I'm trying to make an affordable version, because crab can be pretty expensive. Shrimp is a little expensive as well, depending on which kind you get. But you can add lobster, crab, you can add anything to this. I'm just doing an affordable version for you guys, or for anybody out there that's, you know, looking for a cheaper version but still want, you know, some seafood at least. So you let this cook down for a minute, and I'm gonna raise it back to like 4. So I'm gonna let this cook for like, well, I'm gonna let this cook until the shrimp is done, because everything else is cooked. So yeah. So yeah, I just deshelled the eggs and put them back in. It's better actually to have your eggs cracked a little bit, like the shell just a little bit, so you can just pull the shell off instead of having to peel it off. But this is the finished product, and it is delicious. I've already tasted it. And yeah, if you guys want more recipes, let me know. Next time I'll probably add like crabs and lobster and stuff. This was just like a simple, easy version if you wanted something quick and fast. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you do this recipe. Let me know if you do. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, I gotta eat now.